Hello students, welcome everyone, welcome to your favorite channel Vedantu NCERT Solution, where you get detailed solution of each and every NCERT questions, and we will help you to solve each of these questions easily. So in this session, let us try to solve question number 5 of exercise 1.1 of the chapter relation and function. Check whether the relation R in R defined by R is a comma b, a is less than or equal to b cube, is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Now let us see, children. It is defined under the set R, so set of real numbers. So assume that it might be true for some of the values. When you take 1 comma 1, it might be true, but take the values. Suppose you have the value as 1 comma 2. So if I check for 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2, because we are checking for the condition reflexive, first let us check whether the given relation is reflexive. So in that case, observe this very carefully. If I have to call this reflexive, 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2, if I am checking for this 1 comma 2, is it less than or equal to 1 by 8, children? No, 1 comma 2 is greater and it is not equal to also, so this condition is not satisfied. So in that case, what you can write, this relation is not reflexive, right? This relation is not reflexive. So in that case, I can write R is not reflexive. Understanding, children, very important, because it might satisfy for some of the values like 1, as I told you. Other than that, if you check for other values, it is not reflexive. Now let us check for the condition whether the given relation is symmetric. So if the given relation is symmetric, then if I am taking 1 comma 2, this should also satisfy 2 comma 1. When I take 1 comma 2, it belongs to R. Why? Because 1 is less than or equal to 2 cube. When you take, it is less, correct? Equal to condition is not valid here, but it is less, but it is one condition is satisfied. In that case, a comma b belongs to R, it satisfies the relation. But what about 2 comma 1, children? 2 comma 1 does not belong to R. Why? Because 2 is not less than 1 cube. Not true, correct? In that case, what you can write, this relation is not symmetric. So once you get to know that it is not symmetric, yes, it is not symmetric and reflexive, let's now check for transitive condition. And see, children, since it is given for the set of real numbers, check for this transitive condition here. Just check. I will check for the values 3 comma 3 by 2, and it belongs to R. Why I'm telling this? Because if you write 3 is less than 9 by 4, correct? Is that true, children? 3 comma 3 by 2, if you take 3 is less than not 9, it becomes cube, it is correct, it is cube basically, so it is 27 by 8, right, children? 27 by 8. So I can write, sorry, it's 27 by 8. Yes, 3 is less than 27 by 8. True, children? Because 27 by 8 will give you 3 point something, so 3 is less than that. It is true. Now let us take the values 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5. I'm considering this unique value because just to show that it is not transitive for all elements. Okay, so now under the set R, now if you check this, 3 by 2 is again less than, you get this as 6 cube by 5 cube. It is less than that. True. Now if I'm checking for the elements, that is a comma c, that is 3 comma 6 by 5, it is not true in this case. Why? Because 3 is not less than, 3 is greater than 6 cube by 5 cube. In that case, what you can write, it is not transitive. So what you can write, children, it is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive, right? This relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So question number 5 we have solved easily. We have taken the unique cases because here it was given, it was under the set of real numbers. So this relation, that is a is less than or equal to b cube, is not reflexive, not symmetric and transitive. See, children, if you're understanding all these questions, please like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends so that even they can solve all these NCERT questions easily. Thank you.